Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to change audio and subtitles language on Netflix. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. Tap on the My Netflix option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the My Netflix section, you will see your current Netflix profile icon. Tap on it. Tap on the Manage Profiles option from the bottom of your screen. Now, select the profile in which you want to change the language. In the profile settings, you will see the audio and subtitles option. Tap on it to make the changes. From the list of languages, select the one you prefer by tapping on it. Netflix will automatically save the changes and your audio and subtitles will be updated. And that's it. This is how you can change audio and subtitles language on Netflix. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.